Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these fun fringe boho hoop earrings. So for 2023, hoops are in, big long earrings are in, fringe, boho, and Viva Magenta is the color of the year. So these hit all of those things. So these are super easy. What we're going to use is our micro suede, and this is glitter, so it's got glitter in there too, which I love. And I've already pre-cut these. I've cut these about 12 inches long, but you could get away with less if you don't want your fringes long. This is still going to be in excess of what I need. You could probably get away with about 10 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hoop and I'm going to make a loop in the middle of the micro suede, and then I'm going to take the two ends and string them through. And then I'm going to pull it where it's nice and tight. And then I'm just going to repeat that 9 times. So I'm going to take my micro suede, fold it in half, bring it through the back, and string the micro suede through it. And you just want to make sure that each time that you do this, you consistently do your loop through the back, or you can do your loop through the front, either way, but just consistently do it the same way if you want it to have the same pattern. See how that's all the same? If you do it the other way, it'll flip and be like that. And you don't have to do 9, that's just what I decided looked good for me. But this is 5, and it kind of has a different feel. So you can do it with however many you want. And then once you get them all on there, as many as you want, then you're gonna cut the bottom. And you can leave it long so that it goes to your shoulder. You can cut it short, you can cut it at an angle so that it's maybe shorter on the sides and gets longer at the bottom. But you'll just wanna figure out where you want that cut to be, and then you'll just take a pair of scissors and cut it right across. And then you'll take your ear wire and a pair of pliers, and you'll just twist that ear wire open, add your hoop on there, twist it back into place, and then you'll have a finished pair of earrings. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.